welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. So, click all the things and join the party. Hello, hello, sweet friends. I got I got two Christmas DIYs and a little thrift haul, little Christmas thrift haul. So Angela's here. She loves thrift stores. It's a thing with people her age. They love thrift stores. I've had some luck in thrift stores, but we scored. We scored, y'all. The things we got were so cute. I want to show you my little thrift haul before we get into the DIYs, okay? So, get yourself a cup of coffee. Let me show you what I got. So, first things first, I'm going to show you. I was floored when I saw this. I hope my camera does it justice. So, this is from the, I love this wood texture. I love the little wood thing. But look at the holly berries and the little polar bear sitting on the top of the handle. This was $1.99 at the thrift store. And it's Grassland Road. Yeah, Grassland Road. Does anybody know? What this is? Because I don't know this name brand. But for $1.99, I couldn't pass this up. There was no way. Okay, so the mug is gorgeous. Then I found this. It's not Christmas related, but it could totally be Christmas related. I've washed it already. I already washed everything. It's this beautiful little wood pedestal with a little dome. I love these. I have a bunch of them in storage. But when I saw this, it was $2.99, and I thought, my goodness, I have bought very similar from TJ Maxx and Home Goods for $15.99, $12.99, whatever it is. But this one's a little one. You know what? This would be really cute for Christmas. I'll tell you. If you get those little itty bitty houses, like the little, put a little fake snow right here on the bottom. Get a little church. Get one of those two little bottle brush trees. Make yourself a little cute arrangement. Add a little velvet red bow. Stick it in the kitchen. It's going to look like $1,000,000. Or make mini cupcakes. Put them in there. Christmas with Christmas wrappers. And put it on your countertop. And again, little bow that matches you guys, whatever. Okay, I'm going to show you the next thing I got. But I got to reach down. Hold on. So I have to thank my daughter for this. Because she saw these. And we were floored when we saw these pillows. They are red velvet with gold and beading on it and the poinsettias. And I mean, they were $3.99, y'all. $3.99. What I did, so it's velvet. And I know the stuffing is not, it's man-made material, so I didn't really want to wash it. Because sometimes when you wash velvet, you can ruin it. Oh, by the way, we found two. So we found two matching ones. And I think these are perfect. And let me show you why they're perfect. Hold on one sec. This is why these are perfect. I picked up this ribbon from Walmart. Oh, first of all, I'm obsessed with it. Look at this. But look with the pillow on the tree. It's gonna look so good. So my little townhouse is coming along. I can't wait to show you all this. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with all this. But, hold on. I'm going to reach down and get it now. I know you can see wires and everything everywhere. Okay, this was when so Angela's really good at thrifting. And she's been doing it for a while. She knows like how to pick things out and how to do all these things. I'm not good at this. And when I saw this, I was like, what is that exactly? It is so beautiful. So beautiful. It was $5.99. Okay, y'all, First of all, it is extremely heavy. Look at it. Look at that. Does that not scream nostalgic, old world Christmas? I am going to be keeping this for forever. I mean, listen, I think this is something that someone, I'm hoping, I don't know what, I'm not sure. Okay, so so do you see here, there's like a bevel. This is very heavy, very, very heavy. There's a bevel. I'm wondering if someone Mod Podge this on to this frame. I'm wondering if there's something else underneath the frame. But I just thought this Santa Claus with the little children. Oh, there's our oven going off. Does anybody know? I love it. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. Anyways, I got that. And then I'm going to show you the mirror, but I'm not going to pick up the mirror. I'll just show it to you. But I have grand plans. Hold on, let me put this down before I break or something. Okay, I have grand plans for that mirror. I'm going to spray paint it. I'm going to get some rub and buff. And I'm going to put it up. And you'll see it very soon in a video upcoming. But right now, let's roll the clips for my 2 favorite DIYs I have done. One of them is Pinterest inspired. I'm going to put a picture of the one I found in Pinterest and what made me inspired. And okay, so you can kind of tell that I'm going for a nostalgic kind of Christmas feel, like old world Christmas with the nutcrackers and the golds and the reds and the greens and the, you know, that kind of Christmas, like a platy Christmas, because it kind of matches where I'm living right now. Like it's, you know, it's a little different from what I'm used to, but hey, we're making it work. We're making it work. So let me show you the first DIY and I'm going to show you where I put it. Hi, my loves. Oh, I love Christmas. Okay, so I bought this beautiful nativity set and it's from Beals and it came with a light. I showed you that. And here's all the stuff we're going to need. I got all my picks. I got florals from the Dollar Tree, a little bushel. Love it. Some ribbon from Walmart. And we're going to do 2 DIYs today. And this is the first one. I love this. I've wanted to do this, a version of this, for a long, long time. And I thought, now that I'm here in this house, what better chance to do a DIY, do something really special, make the house look extra special for Christmas. So I'm using this foam core. I've glued it to the bottom of this Dollar Tree tray. I love these trays, $1.25, $1.25 for the foam core. Already inexpensive. I'm just using my knife here from the kitchen to cut it up. And you'll see I'm going to place it in. So it's like embedded in this beautiful arrangement we're going to make. And this arrangement is great for any location. A side table, a sideboard, an entranceway, a centerpiece for your dining room, whatever you want. Okay, so we've done that so far. So I'm going to put this to the side now, and I'm going to start on DIY number 2. Okay, let me explain what I'm going to do for DIY number 2. I'm going to use all these picks that I've collected for a few days now. I've been going back and forth to Dollar Tree and getting a whole bunch of picks. I'm using them. I wanted to make this inexpensive. Do you see the frame there in the corner? That's what I'm going to do. And I found this on Pinterest. So it's not an original creation of mine. I saw it on Pinterest and I thought, oh, this would be so great to do. I have an antique frame. I have an antique frame that I want to use. So that's what I'm going to use. And I'm fluffing this out. I'm fluffing all my greens out. You can see here. Okay, so I'm fluffing them out and I'm putting them together. And what I'm doing is I'm making a swag. So I'm putting 3 matching on one side and 3 matching on the other side. And I'm using a pipe cleaner. This is what I have on hand to secure them together. Now, usually I wouldn't use a pipe cleaner, but this is all I had. Usually what I would use is green wire. And the best one I found, guys, is truly from Michaels. And the wire clippers from Michaels are the ones I highly recommend. But we're going to use what we have right now. I'm also using this ribbon. And it's from Walmart. It's $4 something a roll. Now, you could totally use Dollar Tree ribbon and do the exact same thing. I'm just going to make a bow. This is how I make my bows. I double my ribbon and I fluff as I go. So I'm making a, I guess you could call this a 4-loop bow or an 8-loop bow, depending on how you view it. I do 2 loops, but I double my ribbon. And I make them the same, and then I do 2 more loops, and I make those equally the same, but I've doubled my ribbon. So if that makes any sense, that's just how I do my bows. I've always done it this way. I don't know where I learned to do it this way, but I just always have, and I just think it's so pretty. And then I leave my tails asymmetrical. I always leave one tail longer than the other. I don't know why. It's just the way I do it. Okay. So now we made a bow, and you're going to see here what I was saying about the tails. One shorter, one longer. I don't know why. It's just the way I do it. And then I dovetail my ends of my bow, but at the end. I won't do it right now. I'll do it later. So now that I made my bow, I'm basically done my swag. And what I want to do is put something interesting in the middle. Sorry if you can hear the train going by, guys. Now, I know a lot of people have a hard time with dovetailing. Listen, if you don't dovetail your ribbon, you don't have to. It's not a prerequisite in life. You can just cut your ribbon on an angle because, look, even I have a hard time, and I do this, and I've dovetailed my ribbon hundreds and hundreds of times. Now, I was going to use this poinsettia, and I got it at Walmart. It was $1 and change. Not much, y'all, not much. Not much at all. And I think it looks nice, but I'm going to change it. You'll see that. You'll see that in a minute. Okay, let's move on. Now, why I started with all the picks I had, because I wanted to do both DIYs at the same time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take some of these. This is a bushel, by the way, that I bought at Walmart. Y'all, it is so pretty. And I bought so many. I bought another one that I'm going to use in my powder room. I have a little powder room in my house, and it has a little vase in it. And I want to use one of these bushels. But I'm just adding to my, my swag. All right, there you go. Swag's done. Let's move on. DIY number 2, this is the one that I'm most excited about. I'm going to cut all these picks off, all these little picks off, like you saw there. And I'm going to start building my base. And I'm just building my base. I'm putting all the greenery in. I wish I had more greenery. I wish I had more picks. But you know what? Like I said, this year I'm just making do with minimal amounts of decor and minimal amounts of stuff, because I just don't want to accumulate a lot of stuff when I know that I'm moving from here and I'm going to be leaving here hopefully shortly. So I'm trying to make the best of what I have. So I'm building this. I'm putting some snowy branches in, and y'all, whatever you do on one side, do on the other side. That is the best tip I can give you for making arrangements. Whatever you do in the front, do on the back. Whatever you do on the left, do on the right. That will always make your arrangements look just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. And that is my most professional flower arranging tip I can give you. And vary things in height, okay? Vary height-wise. That will also help. Now, these are very inexpensive poinsettias. This is the whole bushel from Dollar Tree. Yeah, sorry. Most of the stuff is Dollar Tree, okay? So just so you know, 99% of the stuff I'm using is all Dollar Tree. And it's just inexpensive and great. But I have to say that I did go to Walmart and I found picks at Walmart for 98 cents. So check out your local Walmart, okay? Don't sleep on Walmart because we all think that Dollar Tree has the best stuff. Sometimes you can find really good stuff at Walmart in the pick section. 98 cents. It's cheaper than Dollar Tree, y'all. And it's a tiny bit better quality, just so we know. Okay. So almost done. You could see it there. I think it's turning out beautiful. I put in a little bit of these gold, I don't know, whatever they're called. And I'm just I keep adding to it. Like, that, you know. Okay, this is part of DIY number 1. So I put our second DIY to the side, and I'm going back to the first DIY because I changed it up a bit. And you're going to see this in a minute when I show you the end of the DIY. This is like a tiny little arrangement. And here is our DIY number 2. Now it's on the bottom shelf of my console table because I wanted it when you walk in and predominant. I think it looks so beautiful. Look how beautiful it just turned out. And I put the little light on and you could see it. Sorry for the shadow and stuff. And I know you could see the grate back there, but at least I have something that I think just looks so beautiful. And I'm going to style this up for Christmas. I want to get some other things put on either side. I have an idea now that I put this here. I actually have an idea what I want to put on either side. But I think it looks beautiful. And it's such an easy DIY. Y'all, anybody can do this. Get yourselves some Dollar Tree picks and some stuff. And you're off to the races. And here is our DIY number 1. So the old antique frame with the swag on the side and that little arrangement. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the Christmas DIYs. I hope it gave you lots of inspiration. You got lots of time to do this. We're not even at Thanksgiving yet. Speaking of Thanksgiving, do you know that our landlord actually invited us over for Thanksgiving dinner with his family? I just think that is the sweetest, kindest, nicest thing ever. I don't know why. I'm just really impressed by it. I'm really impressed by it, y'all. Anyways, have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. We're going to decorate this tree very, very soon. I showed you a sneak peek of some of the ribbon. But you know me, I love ribbon. So I'm going to be doing a ribbon tutorial for you all. So you'll see that very, very soon. Anyways, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful week ahead. If you're watching this, I'm probably going to post this on Wednesday. Me and Angela are having so much fun together. Y'all, thank you for all the kind words and the support. And I am just having the best time with my little girl. So thank you so, so much for being patient with me. And I love you all very, very much. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys.